Hi. The 2024 Mustang GT5. Before. 111. We're gonna do a rear muffler delete. We'll let you guys hear it in a second.
We got another sexy 2024 Ford Mustang GT 5.0. What do you guys think of the front end on these? Was very controversial. I like it. It still fits in the Mustang look. I don't know about the back. The back kind of looks like a Camaro a little bit. But the front really looks nice. I like it. Let me show you guys what we did. So it's got factory converter. And then he installed a Roush H-pipe in the center. We didn't do it. He had it installed himself right there. And then 2.5-inch pipe continues out the back on each side. And what we did, he brought it in and we did a muffler delete for him there and there. And then we installed his own tips that he brought. They were MBR RPs. Here's the part number for the left and the right. They're two different part numbers, two different color boxes, everything. It was weird, but it works. So it's T5177 and T5178. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then in order to fit these, because they're quads, these tips are quads as you guys can see, he had to cut the bumper. So usually these new Mustangs come with a single exhaust only right here. So he cut the bumper to make it fit. We don't cut them, well, we'll install them after he cuts them. So he cut it, he's gonna trim it a little bit more right there and it'll be fitting perfect. I don't know why Mustangs came with single exhaust instead of the quads or the dual exhaust out the back. I love it. It looks a lot better with the quads. So this is a modification that all the Mustang owners are doing, which are cutting it. So Mustang had the space, Ford had the space. I don't know why they didn't execute and just did it quads from the start. So, which is okay. It gives us more customizability for these cars, as you guys can see. There's the stock two mufflers right there. This one and that one. Added to the pile of carcasses of mufflers. And there it is now. It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in good old Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Wow, look at the trunk space on this sucker. Whew, not bad for a sports car. Show you the space in this thing. Look how big the trunk is. It can fit two mufflers comfortably. Not bad. For a sports car, it's not bad. Much better. Still don't disappoint. They're one of the loudest. There's that. Wow, it tickles my ears. That's crazy. Here's sound decibels. 123, guys. Wow, with stock cats. That's insane. What do you think?
Oh, I love it, dude.
Looks so good too. Sounds mean, it's different. That's why I like the X-Pipes for. You hear that rasp a little bit at the end? The X-Pipe takes that out, guys. So if you guys didn't know, I like X-Pipe more than H-Pipe. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Alright. The 2024 Mustang GT 5. Before. 111.
That's better. Idle is 100. That's idle. 6-speed Mustang. Wow, even the new ones still don't disappoint. They're one of the loudest. There's that. Wow, it tickles my ears. That's crazy. Here's sound decibels. 123, guys. Wow, with stock cats. That's insane. Now, guys, look at all the screens. Everything's digital now. This looks so good. And it's very roomy. I'm 6'4", if you guys didn't know. And I fit in it very, very comfortably. There it is. Very sexy. Ford Mustang GT. Roush H-pipe. And muffler delete with quad tips. The mods begin on these cars now that they just came out finally. Very nice. Wow, you can still hear it.